In this video I will show you how to get 5,000 free likes for a Facebook page in a legal way. We will use the trick of converting Facebook profile into Facebook page. You might be knowing how to get 5,000 friends in Facebook fast and easy. If you don't know, comment below. I will make a video for it. By using the trick I am going to show, your Facebook profile, groups, pages stays same as before, but Facebook might remove fake profiles in your friend list. Also sometimes you might be left from some groups. Without further ado, let's move to the demo. First, log into your Facebook account. Now, using the trick I am going to show, your all Facebook friends will be automatically converted to likes in your Facebook page, which you are going to create. Click on the link given in the description. Then click on second option. Click here. Click on Get Started. Your Facebook page name will be same as your Facebook profile name. So you can consider changing it before the trick, or you can change later in Facebook page itself. Click on Continue. Click on Profile to Page Tools and fill up the form. After filling the About section, choose Next. Here you need to click on Select All Friends so that your 5,000 friends can be converted into 5,000 page likes. Don't make any mistake here. Here you can select photos from your profile and it will be posted in your page automatically. Wait for some time and your all friends will be converted into page likes. I will show likes of my page as a proof. I am copying URL of my page and opening it in another browser, so that you can see my page likes. You won't get likes from fake profiles. Also, you can customize this page as you like. Now I will show you how to merge your existing Facebook page with this new page, so that likes of both pages add up together. In this trick you won't lose posts in main page, but posts in secondary page which you are going to merge or combine will be deleted. Click on Settings. Then click on Merge Pages. Carefully read the instructions below. Now first choose a main page and then choose a secondary page. Click on Continue. Now choose a main page in which you want to keep all the posts. Posts from secondary page will be permanently deleted. Refresh your page and it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe. Signing out, your Mellow.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.